Okay guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Victor, and in this new series we are going to build a complete employee leave management system using SAP ABAP from scratch. Now the idea is, instead of just teaching you or discussing with you about tutorial basics, which most of the YouTube channel does, I'm going to go more towards developing project-based tutorials. And so this is the first video that I am going to be making, and it is employee leave management system. And whether you are a beginner looking to practice real-world development, or you are new to the SAP system, this project is perfect for you. So the objective is that the employees can request leave, managers can approve or reject this, and the HR, the human resource department, can also view the leave reports. Now, of course, what will be covered in this video or in this series, we are going to be creating custom-based database tables with SE11. And for example, we have the leave request table, and we are also going to be creating data elements and domains. Of course, when creating data elements and domains, we have the opportunity to add fixed values. Of course, I've also created a video on how to create database tables. So the link will pop up on the screen, and it also be in the description. So if you're interested, you can also go and learn more about this. So we also be creating global class. Okay. The global class will contain the methods that will be used in the system, such as the create request method, the approve request, the reject request, and we also be creating function modules. So all this will be covered in this video, and of course in this series rather. And we're also going to add ALV grid to show the request. Email notification can also be added, export approved leave to PDF, and we can also add Web Dyn Pro or the SAP GUI screen. So you see, this is what will be covered in this series. So I'll be uploading new episode every 3 days. I hope I will be able to meet up, because of course I'm also working. And if you are following along, you can build it step by step. If you're interested in the technical specification of how the project will look like, leave a comment in the comment section. And the reason why I'm not going to wait till the project is complete before I upload the full compilation is because as a new channel, I'm prioritizing consistent uploads and engagement for my new viewers and my new subscribers. Of course, thank you to my new viewers and my new subscribers. Feel free to ask questions, leave feedback, or suggest improvement as we go. So at the end of the series, you will have a working ABAP application, and you can showcase in your CV, GitHub, or interviews. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss an update. Let's get started. See you in the next video.